Find all your affiliate marketing answers in these simple tips and tricks. As fun as planning for the success of your online business may seem, it is a very important reason to start creating an affiliate marketing strategy, even if you have a strategy already. These tips below can give you some advice on how to market your business smarter using affiliates. Be honest about who is in your affiliate program. If the reader suspects something amiss, they may just bypass you and go directly to that vendor's site. Doing this means that you will not get paid for a sale. You need to prevent that. Build a loyal fan base through trust and honesty. A great way to make sure that your site is interesting is to choose a topic that you like. If you are writing about a site and advertising for things that suit you, then it will be easier and more interesting. Advertising for what you love is the #1 rule for affiliate marketing. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, be sure to test products before you advertise them. If you are displeased with the product, it is likely that your customers or subscribers will be as well. Advertising an unsatisfactory product will decrease your credibility and trustworthiness, while advertising a quality product will do the opposite. Before you sign up with an affiliate service, you should make sure that the company you're choosing offers real-time statistics. You will want to check your progress to see if there are any changes you need to make to your campaign. This is very difficult to do if the site you're dealing with does not update in real time. If you are reviewing a product that you have not purchased, make sure that you always include examples of how it works. You always want to give screenshots of the product, other reviews from users, with permission, and other vital information about the product. As an affiliate, you should be really informed about any product you promote. Some of the advertisers who offer affiliate marketing partnerships will make special offers from time to time, not just to their customers, but to the webmasters they partner with, too. Affiliates may offer bonuses or other incentives for website owners who deliver certain kinds of traffic or help to make a certain amount of sales. Profit-minded webmasters stay on top of these offers and adjust their website advertisements accordingly. Choose affiliate marketing categories that you are familiar and comfortable with. If you love books, choose affiliates that sell books. If you would rather get a root canal than pick up a book, you should avoid those affiliates. Familiarization with a category increases your ability to make good choices about ad placement. While planning to use affiliate marketing for your own online business is a lot of fun, you should feel better that you know how to do it. You can now apply your newly acquired knowledge either to refining your current marketing strategy or trying to create a completely new one. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.